So, first up of my weekly What Did I Stitch is the piece that we're using for, or I chose to do the Carolyn Manning round robin, and it's Aubrieta. So pretty. So pretty. All the purples and the greens, and I think she's shown it on like a greyish background, but I chose to use 40 count speculas by Roxy Flosco, and I've done a Roxy Flosco conversion. All these lovely colours. Bit of a mess. And that's where I'm starting today. It's about, what time is it? I have just looked, but I haven't taken it in. 11:27. Husband's gone out to buy some lunch. So I think I'll try and stitch on this for a good chunk today, and we'll see where we get to. Cheers! Hello, good morning. It is Wednesday the 25th. It's my daughter's birthday. How exciting. 25th of September. And I thought I'd just quickly jump on while the husband's in the shower and show you what I did yesterday. I did exactly 1,000 stitches yesterday, which is a great achievement for me. I'm just trying to work out which way up it is. So this is, like I said yesterday, the Aubrieta, the bouquet collection, and I've done a Roxy Flosco conversion, stitching it on the speculas linen, and yeah, I did 1,000 stitches, so here they are. Isn't that gorgeous? If I get out of the way. There, that's the colour. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So don't think I'll work on this today. I think I'll put this away. It's going to be quite a busy day. We're going out for breakfast, my husband and I, because we're both off work this week, and hence the washed, brushed and dried hair, rather than it being curly. I thought I'd make an effort. My hair does look quite orange in this video. Maybe I need to re-dye it. Somebody said to me the other day I had ginger hair. I was like, no, it's red. Maybe it does need re-dyeing. Anyhow, yeah, so we're going out. I want to get the sewing machine out later, but I thought I'd work on this. Now, I don't think anyone's seen this on the World of Flosstube from me yet. It's I started it when I got back from Big Stitch, and it's called Freak for the Beak. It's by Boomerang Stitches. I'm about 50% of the way through it now. I'm stitching it 2/2 on 28 count random white even weave. It's not Lugana because there's no, not Zygox, because there's no orange bit on the bottom. And I've changed all the colours up from the original because I wanted it to be just a tad brighter and more purpley. And I love it. I'm hoping to get it finished in the next couple of weeks, which is insane because it's only halfway through and I've been working on it since Big Stitch, so I don't know. But that's my plan for today, I think. Got life min bits to do, and I need to walk the dogs, and we're going out, and so I might, if we're going out, I might get some work done, if I can find it, on my, on my car stitching project, which is this. I don't think the roads we're going to be going on are too brilliant for car stitching, but we'll see. I do have to pick the daughter up from school, so as long as it's in the car it will get worked on at some point today. So yeah, this is the DMC kit. I've got one of them done, Strongman Stanley, and this is the next one. So I've outlined this bit of yellow, and the dog, he just needs another leg I think, and then I can carry on with that. What hangs there for that bit of yellow to only go up that far? Let's have a look. And the curtain comes down, can you see just there? Shoop, shoop. fun doing those curtains. Yep, so that's today planned then. Yeah, what else have I got to tell you about the stitching world? Nothing. I watched a lot of Flosstube yesterday. I watched all sorts. Cross Stitch the Globe. I watched Sew Me Sarah. Andrew the Runner Stitcher, is that what it's called? And of course the quick little update from Evertote on the, what's it called, Notes from the Workshop channel. Yeah, so that's my plans for today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you probably tomorrow morning to show you my progress. I think I'm going to work on this bird here. I think it's another tall bird. I think his neck goes up here. I might be wrong. Find out later. Bye. So, I haven't really done much stitching today. It's still Wednesday. It's still 25th September. It's 3:20. I've done a few, like 20 stitches maybe, of my table gifts for Stitch in London. I've been and had a lovely breakfast out with my husband. Nothing flashy, we just go to IKEA and have a very cheap breakfast and then a quick mooch around the market bit. Had a few bits and bobs to get for my mum. Oh, that stitch looks funny. So here I am anyway, sat in the pouring rain in my car, waiting for my daughter. Thought I'd just jump in and say hello. I'm going to insert some pictures of some finishes I've done recently. Well, finishes for me. They're the round robins. We did a ink circles round robin thing. Just getting some strange looks from people walking past. I'm sat here chatting. But then people do that, don't they? They chat on their phones nowadays in cars. Maybe I'm doing that, hey? So yeah, the ink circles round robin that I did still looks wrong. Why does it look so weird? Look. I don't know if you can see my face in it. Just here. This stitch looks crazy. I mean, none of the stitches on this are particularly good because it is a travel project. And, there we go, that's better. As such, you know, it's more a doing project than a to be done project. Process rather than product. Yeah, if I'm just keeping my eyes out for my daughter because it is wet out there. What was I saying? So yeah, I'm going to put some photos in of the ink circles round robins. I've finished my part of one of them. I think that's Kath's, and I've also finished the final part of Roz's, and I'm giving them back to her at Stitch in London. And I thought, because I've also got that round robin that I showed you from yesterday, if my editing goes as planned. I've got the I can't stitch and talk at the same time. If my editing goes as planned, I will. You will have seen yesterday that I was working on the Carolyn Manning round robin, but I thought with that being quite a lot bigger than the ink circles one we've been doing, I ought to get a wriggle on and get the ink circles one done. So anyway, here are those pictures. I can see my daughter, so I'm going to hang up now. Bye! Hi, and welcome back. It's Thursday the 26th of September now. I have to think about it. And I did some stitching yesterday, but it was for my table gifts. I said that, didn't I? And then I just spent the evening finishing that off and, well, finishing off the stitching, and half fully finishing them. So unfortunately, again, I haven't got anything to show you. But I did a bit yesterday before we went out for breakfast. So I did this on Freak for the Beak, and hopefully today I'll get some more done. I do want to make a project bag or two before I go out, and I'll be going out. Where am I going? I'm doing the school run this morning, and then I've got a meeting at 3. So before 3 I want to do a lot more of this and make a couple of project bags. Those are the plans. Whether it'll happen, I'd quite like to get up in the loft at some point and see if I've got a certain type of fabric. I don't think I'm going to be doing that today because the husband's at home, and if I want to go in the loft with the husband at home, I have to you know, get the full ladder out and stuff. I can't just climb up on the banisters and a chair top, you know, the back of the chair. I sort of balance between the banisters and the back of a chair, and sort of hoik myself up. Mind you, I haven't done that for a long time, and my hoiking days are long gone. So yeah, I'm not sure how this vlog style's going, whether you like it or not. So that's my stitching plan for the day. Hopefully I'll come back this evening, if not tomorrow morning, and tell you how I got on. What day's tomorrow? Friday. Friday I'm going to Fiona's to drop my stuff off for Stitch in London, because next week I'm going to Edinburgh for work, and I'll try and do another little stitchy vlog of that, because I'll have nothing else to do in the evenings. Well, I talk to my phone because I'm going for work. Not fun, although I will make it fun, because you know, life's too short, isn't it, to not. I think I need to go and drink some coffee, do some stitching, take the young one to school, and then see how much more I get. Take care. Bye. Hi. I'm still in the car. Well, I'm not still in the car. I've been out of the car, back in the car. All the things. Waiting for my daughter who's at the cinema. I've just been and bought myself a new outfit. Not sure whether it works or not, but I'm going on this conference next week at work, and thought I'd buy myself something nice to wear, make myself look a bit posher than, or a bit more grown up than fleeces and hoodies all the time. And then I'll be desperate to get my fleece and hoodie at the end of the day. But while I'm about to get my stitching out, once I've had some M&S food for my tea, I thought I would share some stitching, and show you what I'm on, because I might not get round to what's the word? I might not get round to filming much tomorrow, because I'll need to edit this and then post it up. And then I was thinking if I'll do another vlog next week, because I'm going to Edinburgh tomorrow night, and I'll do another vlog of what I stitch when I'm not at home, and then at the end of the week I've got Stitch in London, so I'll carry that vlog from Sunday to Sunday, and then hopefully I'll be able to be back on track with some sort of regularity of posting a bit more often, because of, well, just not having a dissertation to do anymore. I'm so excited. So I think I've mentioned that I was stitching on Freak for the Beak by Boomerang Stitches. It's going to look like this, although I have changed the colours out. Mine's a bit brighter, and here's where I'm at the moment. So I have, this was the bird. I'm in a car park showing people cross stitch into my phone. It's insane. That's the bird I was working on. Do you remember I started this, or was about to start this grey last time I showed it, I think. So I've just got its eyeball and, oh, literally just its eyeball, and then that bird's finished, I think, which is exciting. So still only a little bit over 50%, I think 54%. So there's going to be a lot of stitching in that last quarter of it, isn't there? There's quite a few birds down by the feet. People coming now. I'm just going to fold that up. I really want to get that finished for the brag table in Stitch in London. So I've got a good amount of stitching to go. People now come into their car looking at me, talking into my phone, which is propped up in the corner, thinking, who is that crazy lady? They can think away. They don't know who I am. I don't know who they are. I don't actually care. So yeah, there's that. And then I'm going to stitch on that if I can find somewhere to stitch where it's light, because the light is fastly fading. And then I've also got this with me. It's the Strawberry Kitty thing by Colourfully Sarah. I want to get that finished and sent off to my daughter who's at uni, or taken to my daughter who's at uni. Last night I didn't get masses of stitching done because I made a couple of project bags, because I thought, this was really heavy, it's got my tablet in. I thought, if I'm going to a retreat, I'm going to be tempted, so why don't I make my project bags? This is just a Tula pink, is it, or is it a Kaufman fabric? I don't know, let me know if you know. And I made a massive project bag with a zip. Made myself a couple of project bags so that when I get to stitch in London, if there is a project bag seller, I won't be tempted because I have new project bags. What else have I got in here? Let's have a little look. Oh, it's literally my tablet and the spare threads. And my Wi-Fi gadget in case I want to watch a film myself while they're in the cinema. Yeah, so here I am, Mrs. Milton Keynes. I'm parked up near the shops, near the football stadium at Milton Keynes, because I wanted to come and get some tights. And I would have to pay if I went to the shops near where the cinema is, where the cinema she is at. There's a cinema, literally, I can see it. But she chose to go to the other one with her friends for her birthday. I don't have a problem with that. I'll go and pick her up in a while. I'm going to eat my sandwiches. Excuse me. I don't really have much to say. Hopefully a bit more vlogging, a bit more interesting vlogging next week. I'll be doing more interesting things. And hopefully this cough will go. So if I don't record tomorrow morning before I start editing, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this different style has been good. Let me know if you liked it or not, or whether you like it where I'm sat in my red chair at home being boring and not doing it as I go along. Cool. I had my nails done this morning. Do you like them? They're very pretty and they match my jumper. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Oh.